Hey guys, today I will show you how to install 2018 Opcom. We have a newer version, 2020, but this one is much faster for me, is performing faster. I don't know for other experiences, but my experience is telling me that this is the faster one. Okay, let's install. And see what we get. Inside our car today is Opel Astra J from 2011 with 230,000 kilometers. Okay, we go next. Okay, finish launch opcom. We don't need to visit the store. Finish. Okay. And here it is. Now we go to settings, test interface, firm version 0.1.95, successful. Now we will connect our interface. Here it is, cheap Chinese clone from 2021. We will put in the OBD connector. Okay. So now we go back, Diagnostics. Here it is, all the vehicles till 2008. We go automatic vehicle, identification, G and Lankan. Okay. It is connected. Here is our car, 2012 Model C Astra J A17DTJ. Okay, so now we will go to detail vehicle readout to check for some DTS. Okay, now it's going. ECU, all the modules is checking. If you have some fault codes, we can read in here. You can print it out if you have some professional version. I don't have it now. So accessing to ECU. Okay, let's try one more time. Detail vehicle DTC check. Okay. 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 Here is all the modules. From the right side are travel codes. As we can see, we don't have fault codes for now. Oh yes, we have parking assistance. I already closed the parking assistance manually from this board. You can from config. Okay, let's go in here from back. You go config, you go vehicle settings, parking assistance, and you can see it's off. I have problem with one of the parking sensors, that's why I close it. Let's read what is saying inside. Read CAN configuration. No, sorry, read all fault codes. Show all fault codes. Okay. B0956 parking assistant front sensor right middle circuit incorrect period. We know this, so we can clear all the fault codes. Probably we should run the car because the battery will die. Okay, we close troubleshoot, clearing complete. We will go back, we will read out one more time. Okay, 0. Let's see if it showed as an error. Okay, travel code readout complete, show all fault codes, no DTS present. That's it for now. On the next video I will show what kind of features has this diagnostic. See ya, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.